In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can receive money from Western Union in Jamaica. So you have the first option, which you don't need to provide any ID or tracking number. This option is when you receive the money directly to your bank account. You just need to provide your banking information to the individual. You also have the option to provide a Visa debit card number and they can send the money to it. With that option, the money will be available within 15 minutes. Now with the banking information like your bank account and address, right? With that option, the money will be available within say 3 business days. Now you have the cash pickup. We can go to any Western Union location, show the tracking number and proof of ID, and of course, fight with some agents. Those are the two options that are available to you. The mobile wallet option is not yet available. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.